so happy.
At least they'll be tuckered out.
Yeah, for sure. Oh my gosh. Until now, his best friend in the office was a Chihuahua.
Oh
So
boy. This
it's
is
a little bit of a
quite a bit of a different
mismatch.
work experience.
Yeah.
Yes, I'm so proud of you.
It's probably really
He's
comfortable.
literally like, huh?
It's probably really comfortable to be like laying on him.
I know, right? He doesn't even do that to the
To the Doberman.
to the Doberman.
Oh.
Marcus. He's like, you're so soft. And he doesn't.
He's so cute. And he's like a big chew toy.
How much does your dog weigh?
45.
Okay, mostly the hair though. So.
He's like really skinny under his fur. Pink coat?